Welcome back to Artificially Inked, the channel where we push AI tools to their creative limits. Whether you're here to level up your 3D skills, experiment with AI-generated assets, or just see what's new in the world of AI, you're in the right place. Today's video was meant to showcase what we initially believed to be an incredible tool, Rosebud AI. This tool claimed to enable game development through simple text prompts, allowing users to generate 2D RPG adventures, 3D exploration games, and even first-person shooters. At first, our experiments looked promising, but soon we hit a wall. It became clear that JavaScript, a foundational scripting language for the web, was simply too complex for the AI to handle consistently. Me too, Rosebud, me too. This brings us back to the central question: can AI truly create video games? The answer isn't so straightforward. The entire Artificially Inked channel is built on AI tools. I was created with AI. From my concept and visuals to my 3D models, and even my voice, nearly every aspect of our process is AI-assisted. However, there's always a need for human expertise to refine and correct AI's mistakes. So far, our work with AI-generated 2D and 3D assets has been incredibly promising, with rapid advancements happening all the time. When combined with traditional methods and creative problem-solving, AI-assisted asset creation has significantly lowered the barrier to entry for aspiring game developers. But what about coding? That's where Rosebud AI fell short in this experiment. Most generative AI tools achieve accuracy between 55% and 95%, depending on how well they are prompted. Provide too little information, and the AI improvises wildly, producing unpredictable results. Overload it with too many details, and it struggles to process the request effectively. This unpredictability is a huge issue when it comes to coding, where precision is key. Before we continue, let me quickly shout out Opus Clip AI. If you're a content creator like me, you know how time-consuming it can be to edit down long videos into bite-sized clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Opus Clip AI makes this super easy by using AI to find the best moments in your videos and automatically turn them into short, engaging clips. It's a game changer if you're looking to expand your reach across social media. If you want to check it out, hit the link in the description. Plus, using that link helps support the channel, so it's a win-win. With AI-generated models, fixing bad geometry or textures is often a straightforward process. But debugging AI-generated JavaScript can be a daunting challenge, requiring manual intervention to correct errors and make the project functional. Even though we've successfully hand-coded games and projects in JavaScript, watching Rosebud AI produce wildly different results from the same prompt, sometimes even generating errors that it then tried to fix, was both fascinating and frustrating. So, back to our original question: can AI truly make video games? Our answer, sort of. AI is improving at generating assets and game elements that can be integrated into projects, but when it comes to coding, it's just not there yet. To be fair, creating an entire game from scratch is a massive undertaking, so we'll give AI a pass on this one, for now. That said, our goal on this channel is to help our viewers find the easiest and most effective paths to game development. In future videos, we'll explore game engines and tools designed to get you up and running quickly. Who knows? Maybe we'll be playing your game in the near future. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more AI-powered game development content, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps more people find this video and lets us know you want to see more. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We're always testing the latest AI tools to see just how far they can take game development, animation, and 3D creation. And hey, if you want to support the channel and rock some awesome AI-themed merch, check out our Redbubble store. We've got everything from AI-generated art to Lab Rat Larry's latest shenanigans on t-shirts, hoodies, and more. The link's in the description, go take a look. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.